Hi, this is Amber with today's Take a Breather Tech Minute. Today we're going to focus on using Wakelet during the Learn from Home model. This is a great way to curate your resources in an engaging way and also provide some differentiation and support tools along the way. So the way you're going to get here is if you'll go to our Planning for Learn from Home presentation, which is at bit.ly/all caps HCPS lowercase remote. The first thing that you'll want to do is click on the resource table of contents. When you're here, you're going to see tools for organizing instruction and you'll click on Wakelet. This will bring you to all the resource materials for how to set it up, how you can differentiate, ideas for use. Everything you need is here. But I wanted to go ahead and highlight something for you. So I'm going to go over to Wakelet. This is my Wakelet. And this is how I've been sharing those Take a Breather Tech Minute videos with you, is hosting them on a Wakelet collection. But just for a moment, I'm going to open up one of my Wakelet collections to show you how easy this is to use. When you add something to your collection, and I am going to go ahead and click on Edit so you can see how this works. It's as simple as a green plus sign. And these are the different kinds of things that you can add. Text, URLs, YouTube videos. You can add images, PDFs, anything from your Google Drive. You can also even add Flipgrid short videos, which is a great way to put your face into your Wakelet. So after you add something to your Wakelet, I'm going to go ahead and click Done, so I'm looking at it as a viewer instead of an editor. So anything that has this little book with this speaker next to it means it's an immersive reader that's built in. It's a Microsoft tool, automatically built in. And when you click on that, if you're a student and you know what that means, you can click on it. It will open up in the Immersive Reader tool. And what you'll notice is there's a plus sign on the bottom, so I can actually play this.
Learn about the power of the Wakelet wave.
I can actually read this or have it read to me. And then if I need some extra tools, there's some text tools so I can change the size. I can even change the background. If I am not a native English speaker and I want to put it in a different language, I can do that as well. It also has a built-in picture dictionary. So if I click on a word that could have a picture cue to tell me what that might mean, then I also get that as well. The way you get that tool is to just type some text into your Wakelet. So this is a great way to get some tools to help students while you're not there or in an environment of Learn from Home. It gives them some extra tools. So that's one thing that you have. The other thing that you have that's a really cool tool is if you have a URL, you'll notice there if you hover, you get this little tool that's the beta read mode tool. If I click that, it actually puts it into this format so that it's stripping out the advertisements and all the extra stuff so that all you're actually getting is the text and the images from the article. To show you the difference of what this is I'm going to click on Visit Original. This is how it would have looked. Not super different. Wakelet keeps their site really clean. But for a site like CNN or some of those other sites that have videos and advertisements popping out everywhere, this is super helpful. Also, that Immersive Reader tool is available to me here. So if I want to have it read aloud to me or use the tools to change the size of the text or have it translated, that is there as well. So Wakelet just provides a great way to curate resources in one place, plus you just have to add them to a collection to get the benefits of the read mode tool and the Immersive Reader. It's a great way to support learners during Learn from Home. Thanks for all you're doing, and don't forget to take a little time for self-care and take time to take a breather.